What's up, everybody? For those that don't know me, my name is Alex Saul, and for the last 3 years, I've been operating in the e-commerce space with a done-for-you business model where we create online businesses, e-commerce businesses on platforms like Walmart and Amazon. And we've had a ton of success with clients, made them a lot of money, and what I found is that no matter how much someone says that they really want something that's just completely done for you, and they don't want to do any of the work, and they don't want to know how it works, and they don't want to put in the time to learn how to do it or any of these things, the reality is that everybody wants to learn exactly how the business model works. And there's so much more power when people know how to operate these businesses themselves. And I can help so many more people and have so much more bandwidth to help many more people if I'm teaching all of the core fundamentals rather than spending all my time operating the back end. So for the first time ever, I'm launching a course in an online community. I will be giving one-on-one personalized attention to a select group of motivated individuals that want to learn the core fundamentals of how to run a business, how to build out all the systems, how to scale it, how to find profitable products, suppliers, operate every single cost, profit, sales analysis needed to run a successful Amazon FBA business.